but it's here is a bridge. And from this bridge nowhere. When I was here first time, I found this shiny stone, and on video on YouTube in this cave is this stone, but on other side. From the other side is look. I have now the stone on map. I'm close, but which fucking stone? Here, I found it.
This must be where the stars come to dream. Oh, how they sparkle.
Ah, it's quite the pretty sight.
Oh, you made me jump. Are you here to see the stars too?
The chief's worried about you.
Oh? He's not mad, is he? I know. I'll take a flower back for him.
And finally I finished this chapter. Yeah, and I have go to boss. And shiny stone is here, and this is second way to go in. And to destroy this stone we have to do this. And it's like this. But we have to get knowledge. This is attack. I don't know that to this time that I can attack someone. like this. And there is option and destroy fucking stone too. But I cannot find it on my map. And from there I can just teleport. To Porain.
Even listening?
Chief, aren't they pretty?
I couldn't sleep a wink because of you lot. I had so much fun on my adventure. Oh, I'm so glad you had a nice time.
Will he ever stop nagging?
I'm left with no choice, given how you all act. How can I stop nagging when you lot always just prance around doing whatever you like? Oh, look who it is! Thanks for finding them. You little pottering petals. Everyone was so worried because of you. Please accept this gift for all your troubles.
It's a hat! He's given him a hat! Does that mean we're all friends now?
Don't you dare run off again! Stop right there! Ugh! Those dizzy dandelions!
They're a lost cause.
Well, I already put a spell on them. They shouldn't stray too far this time. Oh, I wonder if they'll ever learn. Anyway, thank you for everything.
Awesome. If this will be